Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be sharing some handmade cards that I've made, and these I'm going to be selling at my upcoming craft fair holiday boutique in November. So this is one that I made, and the base card is just white cardstock from Recollections. I've cut it down and then folded it in half. With that cardstock, I can actually make two base cards. So I just layered here some thinner scrapbook paper. Then this is an embossing folder with stars. Have that layered down. Then I used a stamp for this teapot, colored that in, I think with some Tombow markers, but I probably need to go over it a little bit better. Then used a die cut to add this background and then the sentiment, "Hello, dear friend." And then it's just blank inside, although I may add a strip of this background paper here just to give a little bit of an embellishment on the inside. Then I wasn't sure if I showed this one or not, but this one here I really like. Again, the blank. And then this is scrapbook paper from the Crafter's Companion layout collection. So use that. Then this is an embossing folder where then I use some inks in blue and gray. I use the scallop edge oval, which is from the Crafter's Companion layout section, as well as this die cut also from there, and then stamped thanks. And I used a little gemmy that is part of the collection for that. Again, on the inside it's blank, but I think I'm going to go through these, and whatever I use for the larger piece, I'm going to go ahead and add a little embellishment section in there just to give it in there. I really like this one. It's really pretty. Then some Christmas cards. So just some scrapbook paper. Then this was a rectangular die cut, and I just rounded the corners. And this is a sticker. And this is from the Paper Studio. So that one there. Then this Christmas card is also very cute. Again, just some scrapbook paper. This is a piece of vellum. Attach that there. And then this sticker on a piece of white cardstock, just die cut, rounded the corners, and added that little sticker of a reindeer right there. Thought that was so cute. Then these I am going to add a sentiment, but these are all with this plaid, and then just use those dimensional stickers from that sticker pack that I did a haul video on, and just added 2 of each, but I will add a sentiment here on these cards. Then I have this one, sort of the same idea with this cardstock, or it's not really heavy paper, just paper. And then I went around the edge with some metallic gel pen. And then there's that sticker that says "Let It Snow," and added a couple little jimmies from that pack that I bought again the other day at Hobby Lobby, and I did a haul on that. I thought that would just be nice to add as the center of some of these snowflakes. Then I have these two, which also I'm going to add a sentiment. So this is from that 3D puffy sticker pack. Added a few of those jimmies here. So this is with that plaid winter paper. This is just a sticker I fussy cut around a white cardstock. I put the snowman down first without the white, but he sort of blended in because of the blue, so I added the white cardstock, added a couple of those jimmies here, and again, I'll just add some sentiments here. And then the last one, or actually I got a couple more. This one I think is really pretty. So this is just cardstock in purple and this lavender purple. And then this is embossed on that parchment paper type of cardstock. So with those flowers. And then this is one of those, you can see there's that plastic or laminated type of flower ephemera, and I glued that down, and I thought that this is really pretty, can be used for different occasions. And this one here, I did add a strip of purple, so this is what I meant for the other cards. I want to add just like a little strip of the background inside the cards, but I thought that this one really came out really pretty. I liked how the purple here ties into this background here, and again you can see that embossed piece of paper on the background there. And then the last one I have, I also like this one. So these are just 3 pieces of scrap paper glued down and then stamped here, "Have a nice day." Use some of those pearlized gems. And then again, these are from I think the Paper Studio at Hobby Lobby. So I glued that down using a little bit of Fabri-Tac. And on this one, the butterfly, I added a piece of foam tape. Not sure if you can see it there. So yeah, that right there. So it stands up a little bit above the flower. And I thought that this one turned out really nice. This one I might put a strip maybe of this paper or this paper in there, but I do like the way that, again, that this one turned out. So that's it for this set of cards, and looking to make some more just to have again a variety at my craft show. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye.